Hi Kia fans! Is it possible for you to professionally customize your Kia in 20 minutes or less? Watch how we completely black out this older Kia Telluride's aluminum badging. Anyone can transform their older Kia X-Line, X-Pro, or Nightfall in minutes. We have already cleaned all the aluminum badging and letters with rubbing alcohol and soap and water. After rinsing and thoroughly drying them, they are ready for installing our Blackout overlays. As you can see in the video, we are starting the Kia overlay installation with the right bottom of the K and pushing lightly upward and to the left. Now we focus on the top left portion of the K, pushing lightly down and to the right. After making sure that those 2 points are securely attached, we focus on the top left corner of the A. Pushing down and inwards lightly to the left, we now have 3 points in place. So we'll examine to make sure that the entire overlay is positioned over the factory badge, and then we'll start pressing down firmly to seal this over the factory badge. This step is so important, especially in colder weather. You'll want to press and even heat with your hair dryer to make sure that it bonds tightly to the factory badge. Now we're going to follow the same procedure for the individual Telluride letters. Wow, what a transformation. Did you know that this is the same look on all 2025 Kia X-Line and X-Pro models? Why not make your older Kia look like a 2025 with a true Blackout package? But let's take this another step farther. I'm going to finish this job with the proverbial cherry on top. We're going to black out the X-Line badge. If you own a 2025 Telluride X-Line or X-Pro, this will complete the look for a total Blackout package, as it doesn't come on that year of Telluride. Best of all, you can do this in a few minutes. That's the good news. The bad news is these X-Line and X-Pro badges don't fit the Sorento or Sportage. But the great news is that we have trim level badges for the Sorento and Sportage, as well as Blackout packages for most all late model Kias. What do you think? Could you transform your Kia? We have shown just how easy it is to do. If you like this simple way to enhance your Kia, tell your Subaru and Honda friends we're finishing our designs for their rides as well. Are you a little curious about other things you could do to professionally customize your ride? The wheels you see shown here are just some of the hundreds of Kia designs you can find on our Ridecals.com website. These decals are so easy to install. No bubbles, easy to position, and until they're ready to lock down in place. Check it out and tell us what you think, or make a request for your wheel design. We've only created over 1,400 different wheel designs so far. We have made them easy to install, and we provide various installation videos and extra pieces in every kit just in case Murphy drops by. You know, Murphy's Law. From Acura to Volkswagen, and most all makes and models in between, we're serious about you customizing your ride, color, or Blackout overlays. And we're just getting started. So check us out at Ridecals.com. Okay, I'm here with Sandy, and we just got through doing her Kia Telluride. Sandy, when I first talked to you about this, do you remember you told me regarding what you were looking for?
I saw another Kia that had the Blackout emblems on their car, and I thought, wow, that looks really cool. My car didn't come like that. And then I met you, and you said, hey, I can do this. So I'm like, okay, let's do it. And I love it. It looks really good.
Well, thank you. I appreciate you doing this for us, and I'm glad you like what we did.